bounds.
Hey guys, it's Viking Blade, and today, as you can see, we got my beautiful friend, I didn't name him, Snowman Jack, yes. Come here. You see this beautiful face that I have crafted out of granola bar, granola bar for the nose, graham cracker cookie for the mouth, Oreos for the eyes, and then he has like little eyebrows there, and he has beautiful hair and his nice little arms. But that's not the cool part. This is an old guitar, and we're gonna beat the crap out of it. I'm gonna build a second one. I'm gonna drop kick it. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, well, that was kind of a short video, but as you can see, we just finished it off. That was super fun, but I just thought that would be a good idea and a fun thing to do. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay. So as I was editing this video, I realized that the editor has, like, the slow motion from my phone didn't work on here for some reason. It, like, made it go to normal speed. So, and the slow motion on here sucks, as you saw just a minute ago, or a couple seconds ago. But so I'm going to show you the slow motion on my phone from when we captured it, because it looks so much cooler on here. So just, like, focus in on it. Oh, wait, no, it's this one. Wait, and then there's, oops, oh yeah. And then the drop kick one is so sick. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that on my phone because it's so much cooler. But, yeah, anyways, like I said before, hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.